Greetings and welcome to Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, Hurricane Elsa is passing us right now, if you can see. We just came out of a tornado warning. Big whoop. It went to the east of us. Nothing major. But I've been here for the last couple hours snapping beans. Got 2 big bowls, getting ready to progress and get to canning them. So these are the beans that you saw in the video a couple days ago by the time this comes out. Maybe a week by the time this comes out. I don't know. Depends on the editor. So we're going ahead and getting these canned up. I'm going to show you the process that we use. First off, what I did was, let's see here, I washed them in cold water. I then transferred them over to this sink, rinsed them again, and then I put them into this sink. Actually, I got a couple left for examples. So, washed them again, then I left this water here, drained out this water, and refilled it. And we're back. We're in the middle of another tornado watch, about 30 miles south of us. It's got a nice little storm blasting through. It's raining pretty good, so if you hear some noise in the background, that's the news. But we're going to continue regardless. Can't live our life around the possibility that something's going to happen. When we see signs, then we'll run and cover.
Move on in on that map for you here a little bit.
Alright, this is optional, but this is what we do. Half a teaspoon of salt per. Alright, the salt is basically an inhibitor for certain growths that can happen in canning. So anytime it says optional salt, you go ahead and add salt. Theoretically, it shouldn't kill us. But also over my shoulder, you'll see the one piece of equipment for beans that you really have to have. It's a pressure canner. Spend a little bit of money on a good pressure canner because it's going to last you. If you get a cheap one, then you're going to get what you pay for. Get a good quality one, and you can probably pass it down to your kids or longer. I know my grandmother's using one that, well, I think it's the same one from when I was young. I don't remember, but it's been a while. If you can hear in the background, I got our teapot going, heating up some water. So what we're going to do is we're going to top this off with hot water. We're going to bring it basically up to the lip, the bottom lip of the jar, just covering the beans just barely, and then we're going to drop them in the pressure canner. In the pressure canner, I have about 1.5 inches of water in there right now. The instructions say 2 inches, but when we put the jars in there, that's going to bring the water level up. So we're going 1.5 inches. We might end up with 2.5, 3 inches of water in there, somewhere around there. But you want 2 inches. Alright, don't quite have enough room for all of them, so we're going to do 10 now, and then we'll do the other 2 when these come off. So put our lid on. No, it's good. Alright, make sure your canner is locked. You don't want it to pop its lid. So what we're going to do now is we're going to bring it up to temperature, and we're going to vent it for 10 minutes. By venting, the little thing on the top center is going to basically spew steam out for about 10 minutes. At that point, we're going to put the weight on, which this is 5 pounds, this is 10 pounds of pressure for this particular one. Follow your canner for the pressure. We can put another one on here and make it 15. We're going to go for 10 pounds. These are pint jars, so we're going to do 20 minutes once we put the weight on, and it comes up to 10. All right, it's been about 30 to 45 minutes since we turned it on. I waited until the pressure was released naturally through cooling process. Now we're going to go ahead and pop the weight off it. Don't pull the weight before it naturally cools down. If you pull the weight before, you run the risk of the jars basically exploding from the pressure change. So don't do that. Well, there's 10 cans of beans. I'll go ahead and take care of the other 2, and that'll give us a nice round dozen. We'll probably end up canning some more. I'll try to get some of the labeling here in a little bit, maybe. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Helps us out, helps you out, because by helping us out, we can put out more stuff. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Well, there's, what was that, 10? 9, 10? 9, 10? Yeah, 10.